Today I will show you a simple origami heart. Start with a square piece of origami paper. Fold the paper in half by folding the top corner to the bottom corner, then unfold. Fold the left corner to the right corner, then unfold. Fold the top corner to the center. Fold the bottom corner to the top edge. Fold the bottom left and right edge to the center crease. Fold the top and side corner back, like this. Easy, wasn't it?
Hi, my name is Sultan Idris Education University, identity D2019-209-1191. How to make a square base for crane origami. Start by making an origami square base. Begin with paper color side up. Fold the paper in half diagonally. Unfold. There should now be a crease in the paper from the diagonal fold. Now fold the paper in half diagonally in the other direction. Unfold the paper. Your square should now have two diagonal creases forming an X. Flip the paper over to the other side. Unfold the paper in half horizontally. Unfold to reveal the new crease from the previous fold. Fold the paper in half vertically. Unfold to reveal the new crease. Bring the top point down to the bottom while also folding the left and right corner down into the center. You should now have a diamond shape with a vertical crease running down to the center. This is an origami square base. That's all for me.
Hello, my name is Natasha binti Abu Bakar with metric number D2019-2091739. Okay, now I will make a frog origami. Let's go! Start with a regular piece of rectangle paper. Step 1. Fold the top left corner to the right side, making the top right corner as pointing as possible. Step 3. Unfold it. Step 4. Repeat the step 2 with the other corner. And unfold it. Fold back the top from where the X crease meet. Unfold the top. Bring the crease together to form a rectangle at the top. Next step is fold the left corner of the triangle to the top of the triangle. Repeat with the right corner. Fold the side to the center. Fold the bottom corners to the corners of the diamond. Fold the bottom triangle in half. And lastly, turn the frog over and add some eyeballs. Press down on the edge of the back, make it jump. Done!
Assalamualaikum Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Adik Nabila binti Syamzaimi. Today we are going to make origami koala bear.
Fold the paper in half on the diagonal. Crease well and unfold. Next, fold the paper in half on the other diagonal. Fold both sides to meet the center crease. Make 2 folds at an angle on the paper. Fold the top tip down. Fold the right and left tips down. Fold the bottom tip up and flip the paper over. Fold the bottom tip up. Now take the black pen to draw the eyes, the nose, mouth, and ears. All done.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ahmad, D2019-209-1111. This video will be about reflection of the challenge while recording tutorial video. The challenges will be done by Nurul Ain and Adik Nabila. Meanwhile, how to solve the challenge will be done by Ain Natasha.
My challenge is stay overnight making voiceover. It took about 24 hours to remake the initial voiceovers as I have not been satisfied with the initial version. After slept last night when improving the test over and over again, my sister Sheila helped me to edit the text and avoid some of the major pronunciation mistaken. Then I recorded again and finally I went to bed.
The problems I'm suffering while making the video is the sounds around me while making the video. So I will show you the examples of distraction that I've been suffering while making the video. The first step, we're going to make this koala origami.
So, how do we solve the problem is we as a student need to create a timetable so that we can manage our time carefully.